Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apple. For today's video, we're gonna be making the pork with string beans. Alright, so we need pork sliced into small sizes, shrimp paste, string beans, garlic and onions, vinegar, and soy sauce. For our first step, heat oil in a pan, saute the garlic and onions, wait until it softens, add the pork, cook until it turns light brown. This time, we're gonna add the soy sauce. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, add the vinegar. Cook for a couple of minutes. Now we can add 1 cup of water. Let it boil or wait until the pork is tender. This time, we can add the shrimp paste, 1 tablespoon or just this amount. We call this bagoong or ginamos in our dialect. Dissolve the bagoong by mixing it. This time, we can go ahead and add the string beans. Cook the vegetable until it softens. Season it with pepper, salt, and sugar to taste. Now we're ready to serve it. Here's our pork with string beans. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel as well by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. See you on my next video. Bye!